Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to share with you how to design any kind of certificate, thumbnails, or any kind of design using Microsoft Office. This time around, we are going to make use of Microsoft Word. And as you can see, these are the samples of the certificates I designed using MS Word. We're going to replicate this here, and I'm going to show you how to do it bit by bit. The era of depending on big softwares like CorelDRAW, Canva, CapCut, Clipchamp, AutoCAD to design your images and thumbnails is gradually fading away. You can easily design your certificates, your invitation card, or whatever you want using Microsoft Office. I'm going to do another tutorial on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint to design all these, but this time around, let's just get started. As you can see, the first thing you have to do is to open your Word document, go to the Insert button, and insert the layout of the certificate you want to create. Let's go with a rectangle, as you can see. And once you've done that, the next thing you have to do is also to choose the patterns you are going to use. For instance, choosing a rectangle, triangle, or circle. Let's use triangles here. Place it at both edges, the top left and the down right, just to look like the certificate you saw from the beginning. Once you've done that, the next thing you have to do is also to choose the color of the certificate you want to design. As you can see, just follow me on the screen. I don't need to talk much, just follow me and see how I'm designing the certificate you saw from the beginning. And if you follow me carefully, you can easily replicate this in less than 5 minutes. I took up to 11 minutes to do this because I want you to really follow every step. I don't want to jump any part of this tutorial so that you can do it yourself after following me.
Please, if this really like this tutorial, don't fail to subscribe to our channel. Your support will go a long way in helping us to really bring up more videos of this nature. I'm glad you are flowing. You can see how I'm going about it. With this step, you can design any kind of certificate, any kind of thumbnail for your YouTube or Facebook contents. You don't need to depend, like I mentioned earlier, on CorelDRAW or Canva for you to do this kind of design. You can use your normal Microsoft Word to design any kind of certificate, any kind of thumbnail, Any kind of design you want, you can do it here and it's very simple to use. Just follow me. And I don't want to waste your time. Just keep on following. Just watch what I'm doing on the screen and try to replicate it. Please, try to replicate this design on your own. Subscribe and share this with your colleagues who may need this knowledge as well. Just watch closely. You can see how I'm selecting the shapes from the top toolbar. I'm changing the colors to match the certificate you saw from the beginning. You can choose any color you want, and everything will be completed in less than 12 minutes. I can even do it in less than 4 minutes, but I'm taking longer time because I want you to understand how I did it. I also want to tell you that I use Microsoft Office to create my YouTube thumbnails. It's very simple. I don't use Canva. I don't use CapCut either. You know, all these softwares require internet for you to use them. But I use this Microsoft Office. It doesn't require internet, no subscription, no downloads, and to give you a clean image. Can see how I selected that shape or logo and how I reduced the size to fit into the design and how I put in the word GST inside. You can just type on top of it. You don't need to use text box for this. Let's put on the first write-up. And I have to bring in this, as you can see. Just select rectangular shape and then type in on it. Choose any color you want from here. And once you've done that, remove the shape by right-clicking on it and selecting no line. And that makes everything look plain.
And the shape or the outline will be removed. Can you see how everything looks plain now? Then you can put up the second write-up. And then I want to put up a kind of line where you will write the name of the person you want to present the certificate to. And to do that, just go to your shapes and choose straight line. Draw it to how you want it to be. You can make it longer by clicking the edges and drawing it as I've done on now. You can make it thicker if you want, but I think this is okay for now. You can always modify your write-up. You can carry up, you can carry it down. You can put it to wherever you want it to be. You can choose the font size for it as well. I think I choose 22 here. Let's put up the date and the space where the chairman or DG will sign. To do that, just go to the same shapes at the top left-hand side, select line, choose -S. As you can see from the outline, select the weight to make it thicker or make it thinner. And then once you are done with this, I think this is almost done. Once you put up the line where the date will be written, you will now also go to Insert Text, write date, choose the right color to align with the certificate background as you can see.
You can see it blended with the original color of the certificate. You can just copy it up, put on the other side, and just put the chairman's signature or DJ signatures, and they are good to go. Once you've done it, I think your work is complete. The next thing you have to do is just to save this document in your desktop or document folder. You can convert it to JPG or PDF as well. Anywhere you want to save it, just go to the left side of the Windows and click File and choose Save As to finally save your work.
And you can see it is done. It's as simple as that. Please subscribe and support us. Like this video and share it with your friends. They need this simple approach to create their thumbnails, their contents, and to edit their images. The next video will be on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint to create your certificates, your thumbnails, or your designs. If you want me to do that, please indicate at the comment section and I will create that for you.